Good morning, students. Welcome in science class, chapter 6 Soil Erosion and Conservation. Today, in second part, we will see what is soil erosion. The process in which top fertile layer of the soil is lost, that process is called soil erosion. Or in your textbook, it is given on page number 52 also. The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Due to soil erosion, soil becomes less fertile. They will lose their fertility. So whatever amount of the crops or the whatever that farmers they want to, if they want that whatever kind of that crops they won't be able to get that kind of the crops, and farmers will reap the poor crops. Top layer of the soil is very light and easily carried by wind and the water. Removal of the top soil by the natural forces is also known as the soil erosion. So what are the causes of the soil erosion? Various agents like wind, water, deforestation, overgrazing by cattle, etc. cause the soil erosion. First, how the wind causes the soil erosion. In desert and semi-desert regions, when strong winds blow, जब रन में, you might have seen, if you had visited any time any desert safari or anything desert region, at the time you might have seen very strong wind blows. At the time, whatever the top layer of the soil is carried away with that strong wind, and this affects the farmers, and because of this farmers मैन्यूअर इज़ ऑल्सो ब्लोन अवे. उसके ऊपर उन लोगों ने जो खातर का मैन्यूअर का छंटकाव किया होता है, वॉट एवर दैट मैन्यूअर और फर्टिलाइजर दे आर एडिंग टू द सॉइल इज़ ऑल्सो ब्लोन अवे. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कैरिड अवे विथ दैट टॉप सॉइल. एंड समटाइम्स, क्वाइट ऑफन, द रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स ऑल्सो लूज देयर cover and the plants die. Because of this, when the top soil is carried away with that strong winds, the roots of the plants they become very weak and they lose their soil cover. उसके साथ उसका soil चला जाता है, and because of that the roots they become weak and sometimes the plants also die. So because of this, farmers they don't get the good crops. Second, how water causes the soil erosion. Given on page number 52, when heavy rains cause the floods, when there is lots of rain at the time, floods are there, and flooded rivers, and all that water will go into rivers and they flood the rivers also. And when flooded rivers and running water remove the top soil, at the time running water washes the soil of the hill slopes. You might have seen that when from that hills, when that water is flowing from that hill slopes, at the time with that hills, that soil is also removed from that hills slopes, and this makes slopes unfit for the cultivation. The Chambal Valley of Madhya Pradesh is one such example. In Madhya Pradesh, the Chambal Valley is there. They are having the big hills. So when there is a rain, at the time, whatever the top soil is there on that hill, it is carried away with that running water. A river coming down the hill carries a lot of mud with it. So when that water comes down, at the time along with that water, lots of mud is also coming down. And when they reach the plains, upon reaching the plains, the flow of the river slows down. जब वो ज़मीन पर आ जाता है, at the time the flow of the river they slow down. And what happened? it leaves the part of the soil on its way. So when that water is flowing on that plane, at the time they leave some soil on that part of their way. उसके पानी के बहाव के साथ जो सोइल है वो थोड़े अपनी अपनी कहीं कहीं जगह पर वो रुक रुक के आती है. And over a period of time, this soil accumulates and makes the river change its course. And because of this, the river, they change their flow, they change their course. You may have heard of the Yellow River in China called Wangho. It was known as the sorrow of China. In China, river flowing known as the Wangho, it is known as the sorrow of China. Why? Because it changed its course very often. This resulted in loss of life and property. So many times the people have lost their life and property also. In Bihar also, river Kosi, it also changes its course frequently, and one of that, it caused the great havoc in 2008. In 2008, in river Kosi, it changed its course and lakhs of people were affected due to this course of they change its course because of this. Next, how human beings are also responsible for the soil erosion. Overgrazing. We know that when cattle are allowed to graze on the same field repeatedly, all grass, including the roots, are also eaten by them. You might have seen all that shepherds, when they are allowing their cattle to graze on that open field, so with that plants, they are also, with that grass, they are also eating sometimes the roots also. And when they eat the roots, naturally they will carry away that topsoil also with them, and this makes topsoil vulnerable to wind and flowing water, leading to the soil erosion. And when water will flow on that part, it will cause the soil erosion. Deforestation. Yes, first of all, what is the deforestation? Felling trees in the large numbers or cutting off the trees. In yesterday's video only I had shown you that figure of the deforestation, when you cut down the trees in large numbers and it causes the deforestation. So cutting down of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. Due to this, what happens? The roots of the trees which hold the soil together, you know what is the function of the roots? They bind the roots, they bind the soil particles together, and because of this, the soil from, thus preventing the soil from getting uprooted. So when you cut the trees, at the time whatever soil is held by that roots, they will get uprooted. When the trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away by wind and the flowing water. So felling of trees or the deforestation is the major cause of the soil erosion, and when the trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose from that part and is easily carried away. So when that flowing water will be there, or when strong winds will blow, at that time easily that soil is carried away with them. On page number 53, oral questions are given. First, the soil, rock or sky is the uppermost layer of the earth. Yes, the soil. The soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Second, river Kosi caused havoc in Bihar, Assam or Orissa in 2008. It is in Orissa in Bihar in 2008. River Kosi caused havoc in Bihar in 2008. Sorry. Heavy rain causes deforestation or the flood. Heavy rain causes flood. So students, in next part, how to conserve the soil, means how to prevent the loss of the soil. or how to prevent the soil erosion. It is known as the soil conservation that we will discuss. Thank you, students.